convened this special meeting with Prime Minister Hun of Cambodia and Prime Minister An Thien of Thailand. This meeting was arranged by the Philippines as a way to provide its good officers in our capacity as chair of ASEAN for 2026 to Cambodia and Thailand in order to provide a meaningful space for constructive dialogue on their bilateral border issues. This meeting has demonstrated how our relationship in ASEAN is built on mutual respect, trust, solidarity, and understanding. It is a relationship that requires sensitivity to each other's concerns, which I think I am able to say was amply demonstrated in the discussions.
Uha Bawor Tebade Han Manet, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia, to deliver his statement.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Prime Minister Martin Canberra, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to President Marcos Jr., as ASEAN Chair, for convening today's meeting. The Philippines' constructive leadership in promoting regional peace, stability, and unity is commendable. Today, Prime Minister An Thien and I have just met with a collective resolve for lasting peace. Our discussions focus on de-escalations and trust-building measures to restore and consolidate a functioning framework for lasting peace and normalized relations. We discussed the resumption of all existing mechanisms.
Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand to deliver his statement.
Excellency President Marcos, Excellency Prime Minister Hun Manet, members of the media. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to President Bongbong Marcos in his capacity as ASEAN Chair for his initiative in organizing this important meeting, and a very warm welcome that I was given to visit this beautiful city of Cebu. I just had a frank and candid discussion with Prime Minister Hun Manet. We both reaffirmed that we will jointly endeavor to work towards peace through dialogue. Thailand and Cambodia are two neighboring countries. It is best that we avoid conflict. It only brings